Well, this might look a lot harder because there's three groups, there's three binomials. When we multiply, really, we can just separate it into two different types of problems. First, we can group these together, and then we can multiply these two binomials using the box method or whatever method we choose. So we'll go ahead and do this, and we'll ignore this for now. We'll use it later, but we'll ignore it for now. And we'll go ahead and multiply x plus 7 times x plus 2, which, using the box method, is actually pretty straightforward. Okay, pretty bad box. But we have x plus 7, x plus 2, that's x squared, 2x, 7x, and 2 times 7 is 14. So if we combine these two, we get x squared plus 7 plus 2 is 9. So we get 9x, and then plus 14. That was just like normal. All right, so that's the result of multiplying these two, but we have to now take care of this. So now we can go ahead and take this and then multiply that times this. So we have x minus 1, which we can now still use the box method. So now it's going to be, we'll put x and minus 1 on this side, and then we'll put 1, 2, 3 columns because we have 1, 2, 3 terms right here. So we'll set up our box. This is just the distributive property. I teach the box method because it's a good way to organize all of our multiplication, especially when you have a lot of different terms that we're going to multiply. So we have x squared plus 9x and then plus 14. And now we can just do it all over again. We have 1, 2, 3 factors of x, so that's x to the third, 9x, and there's 2 factors of x, so it's 9x squared, and then 14x, plus 14x. We'll go with this row. X squared times negative 1, that's really just negative x squared. 9x times negative 1 is just negative 9x. And then 14 times negative 1 is just negative 14. All right, so this is where the box method really comes in handy because you'll see a pattern start to emerge. If you do it nice and organized, you'll see along these diagonals we have like terms. 9x squared and negative, you can say it's a negative 1x squared. All right, and then I will put these in a box because now those 14x and negative 9x are like terms. These are like terms, these are like terms, but 9x squared and 14x are not like terms. So let's go ahead and simplify. All right. Okay, standard form, x cubed, or x to the power of 3. 9x squared minus 1x squared, so 9 minus 1 is a positive 8x squared. 14x minus 9, 14 minus 9 is 5x, and then just minus 14. That's in standard form, right? Decreasing degree, and then there's no other like terms here. So this is our answer. So when you get a problem like this, where you have 3 groups that you're multiplying, just break it up, and then you'll get an answer for the first group, and then multiply by the remaining binomial, and then you'll just use the box method one.